Good day, viewers. Yeah, you're welcome to today's class. And from our last topic, we're still talking about the laws of indices. The last law we had two of the basic laws, which are the multiplication law of indices and also division law of indices. And we're talking about power laws. Now, the power laws are four in numbers. And the first important one, the power law is, yeah, you are giving the base, but you're talking about the power. The first one is called the zero power law. The zero power law states that it's very simple. Zero power law states that if you have a given base and the index or the exponent is zero, if the base raise that particular raise the power of zero, then you have one. So any particular base you're given, as long as the power is given as zero, n raised to the power 0 must be equal to 1. So if we have, for instance, m as a base and o as the index, so m as the base and o as the index raised to the power of 0 automatically to give us what? 1. Example, if we have 2 raised to the power 0, that will give us 1. Also, if we have m exponent 0 multiplied by n exponent 0, m exponent 0 is 1 multiplied by n exponent 0, which is 1, that will give us what? 1. So 1 times 1 is what? 1. The second aspect of power law is called the negative index law. Now, the negative index law is as given to us. Now, yeah, the base has the power in form of negative. Now, the negative index, if you have a exponent minus 1, now a exponent minus 1, here the index is in negative form. A exponent minus 1 is just 1 over a. Now, also if you have a exponent minus 2, it is 1 over a exponent 2. The third one is called the negative fractional index. Now, the negative fractional index in this particular form, yeah, the base has an index in form of a negative and has a fraction. Yeah, you have the index is a negative fraction. So you have a exponent minus 1 over 2. Automatically, this is 1 over a exponent half. Also, likewise, if you have a exponent minus 1 over 3, here you have 1 over a exponent 1 over 3. Now, what you normally do as a shortcut is, if you have a negative in the index, automatically the negative change to 1 over, then a exponent half without the negative sign. Likewise, if you have any other particular part of it, you want to know that these are what we want to do. Now, the last one among this is the fractional index. The fractional index. Now, in the fractional index, if you have, for instance, if you have a exponent half, it is given as the square root of a. Likewise, if you have a exponent 1 over 3, you have the cube root of a. Now, this is just these are the four sub bases of the power law. Now, we watch out for the next video after this particular one. If you have any comments, drop in the comment section. I'll see you then. Bye.